Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice battery operated sprayer. I've used some battery operated sprayers before. You have the other ones you got to do all the pumping. This one, it has a lithium battery built into the handle. It's a waterproof handle, which is nice, so when this gets wet outside, not going to be a problem. It does have a USB-C charging port here, and they even provide you with the charging cable so that you can charge up that handle. Not very heavy, and I'm liking the fact that all the parts come apart. This piece twists off for the shaft, and you also have a ability to loosen this up and actually extend out this shaft if you want to make it longer and tighten it down. So now you actually have an even longer wand. I mean, that's going to be almost 3 feet long, so if you're getting up really high, that works out too. They also do provide you with a couple of ends. You've got kind of a rain shower type end that's slightly adjustable there. And then you've got this adjustable end on here, which I like, that kind of adds for a misting feature on there. That way if you're misting chemicals or anything onto a plant, you can do that. Now when putting this together, that does have a couple other notable features. One is this anti-kink piece here that goes on here to kind of help keep that from, you know, kinking up like this. It is really nice that they've provided that. Cord is very lightweight. 6 liters powered sprayer. On the cap to fill this, I wanted to show this because I've had a lot of sprayers. This is nice to have. You actually have a slightly see-through cap that actually has measurement markings on the cap that you can fill in to dump in things into here. And this is a very wide mouth opening, which is also very nice and easy to access if you're adding things into there. They also provide you with a nice handle on top, the ability to lock this into place here when you're not using it, and a shoulder strap. So you've got everything you need as far as getting out, spraying some plants. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this here. We'll get the shoulder strap put on. If I'm out turning this on, it comes on very quiet. Battery indicator light here. You can see this is putting out a lot of liquid there, but it's a nice fine spray. And if you're out here spraying bushes, maybe you're getting some pests off of bushes or needing to put some fertilizer on, whatever the case, you got fruit trees, trying to get some of that stuff on a fruit tree or whatever the case is. That's great. Again, click the button, immediately shuts off. No pumping, fairly lightweight, nice indicator lights on the side. Everything you're going to need for a great sprayer in one nice, convenient package.